today kids, we are going to learn lesson 6 with the Kathak. So today I'll make you learn Char Chakkar, how to take Char Chakkar in Kathak. So right now students, I'm not wearing the guru because I'm just sharing you the basics of Kathak. So when we start, Char Chakkar ball is ta, thai, thai, tat. So ta, thai, thai, tat. So first, and teen chakkar we did ta, thai, tat. So how we did? Ta, thai, tat. Okay, like this. Ta, thai, tat. So in Char Chakkar, ta, thai, thai, tat. So first open your hands same like this. Ta. Okay. Right hand forward, left hand back. Ta. Then left, thai. Then right, ta, thai, tat. Right, left, right, left. Basically, it's in symmetrical ta, thai, thai, tat, right, left. I'm saying in the sequence right, left. Okay? So ta, thai, thai, tat. So ta, half circle, thai, back, thai, and tat. In tat, we go in front. So let's do one more time. Ta, thai, thai, tat. Ta, thai, thai, tat. Let's do one more time. Ta, thai, thai, tat. Your hand should be on the Utpatti position. Your hand should be on the Utpatti position. Your index and your thumb should be point, like this, point on point. And now start. Leg should be on V shape. And now start. Ta, thai, thai, tat. Ta, thai, thai, tat. Like this. So do practice with these Char Chakkar students. In next lesson, we'll learn Panch Chakkar. So stay safe. Thank you.